How to use Spotify offline mode without internet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can use Spotify offline mode without internet. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, what you'll need to do is locate your Spotify and then open it up. So to use your Spotify in offline mode, you must first download content with an internet connection. And also keep in mind that this requires Spotify Premium for music. Then what you'll need to do is, if you have the premium, just go ahead and download a song that you like. You can head over to the search bar, search for a song that you like, then tap on the plus icon. And after you do that, it will get added to your liked song or any album that you normally use. Head over to your library, then go to that very album. And after you're there, you'll find the download option. Tap on it, and the music should get downloaded. And after every song on the album gets downloaded, you can then go to the app settings and turn on offline mode. Go to the gear icon, tap on your profile icon on the top left, go to your settings and privacy, the gear icon. After you're here, what you'll then need to do is go to playback, and after you're on the playback option, you should find an offline option. So search for offline. If you don't find it, that's completely all right. You might not find the offline button, and if you don't find it, you can simply turn off your Wi-Fi and then you'll get logged off. After that, you can go to the very same album that you downloaded the song into and then start playing it. And that's how you use Spotify offline mode without the internet. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.